Hey guys, it's your buddy Rome. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys a few of the different battery options I have when I go out on location. Now, many of you who are drone pilots, photographers, videographers know the importance of having external batteries depending on the situation that you're in. So even guys, if you're starting out with something as small as one of these little 145 watt hour batteries can be very beneficial just to have one of these in your backpack. I'll try to list a number of these down in the carousel so that you'll be able to find them, or if you're watching on YouTube, you'll see them down in the description. But starting off over here, this is an EcoFlow battery. Now, a lot of these batteries were sent out to me for review, but I wanted you guys to get an idea. So if you're flying a drone, if you're doing photography, videography, whatever the case it may be, again, I cannot emphasize enough making this a part of your everyday workflow, okay? So the EcoFlow battery is around 300 watts. You have AC and DC power delivery. You have this really nice little display here that'll give you your input. You can also connect a solar panel up to this. This is going to be ideal out on location, especially if you're going to be out there for days at a time, that you'll be able to replenish this battery over time. Some of these smaller units, there are solar panels available to them, but not as easily accessible as, say, a battery that's in an ecosystem that already has solar panels built into the framework, okay? Now, another option for you would be something like this Blue Yeti battery that you guys see right here. Now, this one is designed to fit inside of a backpack. So this one is a very slim model, and I'll show you guys what this looks like if you haven't seen this before. So this is a 300 watt hour battery. You're going to be able to easily slide this into the backpack that comes with it. And that is also from Blue Yeti. This fits perfectly inside of the backpack. It's going to give you AC and DC power. You guys can see we have plugs on both sides of the battery, and you can charge this, with an AC plug, or you can connect a solar panel to this one as well. It does have pads on the bottom here, so if you wanted to lay this flat, for whatever reason, you'd be able to do that with no problem. So that battery comes in really handy. Now, some of these smaller ones, these are ones that I usually put inside of some of my backpacks when I go out, because these are more convenient, for quick charging, just to be able to grab something, just to say I have a battery. This black one here I use a lot because, like some of the others, you do have an AC plug, you have DC power delivery, and this one also has a built-in integrated light. This one also has an integrated light. This one has your AC plug here at the top, and then you have your DC and also a light at the bottom here, as you guys can see. So all of these are great options. So again, as a photographer, I know you guys, a lot of you know me as a content creator, live streamer, whatever the case it is, but a lot of my journey started as a professional photographer working here in the Houston area. And I did a lot of photo shoots, which I still do, where I'm going to places where there's not always accessible power to me. So being able to switch to, backing up, my batteries and being able to charge those on location without having to worry about running extension cords all over the place. Trust me, guys, that's a win for safety as well as your own convenience. So definitely take a look at these batteries. So again, like I said, I'll try to put a listing for all of these down in the description. But you can also find most of these over on my storefront on Amazon. You just go to romeknowstech.live and it'll take you right to the storefront. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.